Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And I figured I'd just start the vlog here today. I am just finished getting ready for my trip to Accra for Christmas and to also celebrate the year of the return. So Ghana is doing this huge tourism push to get people to come back. So I'm super excited that I will be going. So I figured I'd just start the vlog here. So right now I am at the Peace Corps Transit House, and this is where we come if we have late flights, early flights, we're on security hold, med hold, things like that. So you can see there's my bed, but there are other beds. It's my suitcase, lockers, things like that. So I'm just gonna finish packing. Right now it's about 9 p.m. My flight isn't until 2 a.m. tomorrow, but the airport is like maybe 45 minutes away, and there are other volunteers here that will be going to the airport at the same time. So we all got a taxi. So the taxi's coming to pick us up at 10 p.m. So I'm just gonna hang out, probably lay down and just chill until the taxi comes. All right, so I'm going to close up my suitcase, lay down for a little bit, and I'll catch up with you guys at the airport. Bye. All right, folks, made it to the airport. It's freezing, so I'm all bundled up, but super excited. Gonna make my way to the ticket counter so that I could get my ticket and check my bag. I checked in, checked my bags, and now I'm just sitting, waiting for my flight to board. Right now it's about 12:30 a.m. My flight takes off at 2 a.m. so we'll start boarding at 1:30 a.m. The check-in process was pretty quick. I gave them my ID and stuff, and then I got my seat assignment, and my seat assignment is for I think 7A. So I'm excited to see what that looks like, excited to see what the planes look like and all that jazz. So I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm still at the airport. I just had to tie my headscarf on because I'm about to knock out on this flight. The thing that they don't tell you about Senegal is that all the flights literally leave in the middle of the night. Yeah, I'm just here exhausted, wrapped up in my shawl. Got my long sleeves on, and yeah, so I will see you guys on the plane. From Accra. I just touched down at the airport, and I have to say everything was really painless and smooth. My bag made it. That was my biggest concern, so I'm so happy. Right now I think it's like 7 o'clock, and checking into my Airbnb isn't until 2. I'm just gonna hang out here for like an hour. Some good things to note: there is Wi-Fi at the airport, so Accra, you are already doing things the right way. It's a little stuffy, like I don't know if they don't have the AC on, but there are vending machines and I can get some juice or some water. And yeah, I'll show you around the airport. It's just one big room, but everything is so like organized. The lines went super quickly. When I came, they asked to see my yellow fever card. They also are offering visa on arrival, so that's something that I didn't know, but they have a section that's for to give out visas for people who don't have one. So I'm so excited to be here, and yeah, I'll check in with you guys once I figure out what I'm gonna do for the next, I don't know, 4 hours. It's hot. It's hot and humid, and it was not hot in Senegal, so I'm gonna have to change that. I didn't tell you, but my flight was actually delayed, so it was supposed to take off at 2 a.m. It did not leave until 4 a.m. Got here around 7. So needless to say, I am exhausted, but check into my Airbnb isn't until 2 p.m. So I'm just exploring the Accra airport, and it's really nice. There's Wi-Fi, air conditioning, ATMs, so I was able to take out some of my Peace Corps money. Thank you, US government, for funding my vacation. It's been really chill. Got some breakfast, so I'm about to go back downstairs to the arrival section and just wait probably for another hour, then I'll hit up the mall. Other than that, I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Bye. Checked into my Airbnb. This is actually day 2 in Accra. Sorry, I did not vlog yesterday. I was really tired, and I just basically ended up grabbing dinner with another black PCV that's serving in Ghana and one of her Ghanaian friends. Super cool. We ended up doing dinner at a Thai restaurant and then going to Rehab beach club, which was pretty fun. It was like kind of chill. Got back at like 2 a.m, which is really early for Accra, but I was just too tired. I couldn't hang out. But I wanted to also show you my Airbnb since I've moved in. Okay, so here we are. I'm standing right at the door. My bed. So it's a full-size bed. Above the bed are these really big mirrors, but I keep them closed because this is a room in the back of like this house. Then we go up to the fan. So there's 2 fans. There's no air conditioning in here. And over here, I think this is really cute. Like there's this hanging wardrobe kind of thing. So I basically just took out most of my clothes, or the clothes that I just don't want to be wrinkled. I have everything pretty much hanging up here so I can see my clothes, go through it, and honestly just remember to wear the things that I brought with me. A lot of this like Ankara type stuff, obviously I got made in Senegal. Wax print, kind of like this material, is pretty hot and heavy, even though it's not. He didn't line my stuff because I asked him not to, because that would just make it too hot. Even though it's not lined, it's still like pretty heavy in comparison to like this breathable material that I wear. This area is just like a cute little like desk area. I like that they had these books here. So Chinyeloves, obviously, and Flora Nwapa. These are all Igbo novelists, writers, and I just thought that was really cool. Before I came, I stopped by the grocery store and ShopRite, and I just picked up one. And then lastly, we have bathroom. Pretty standard for African bathrooms, but it's mine and it's in a room and it's perfect for me. So toilet, nice little like shower unit there, sink, small mirror, and then here's the shower. So it's behind the door. There is the water heater for the shower. It's a full shower, it's a drain, and then they also have like this partition, so it prevents water from splashing everywhere. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the little tour of my Airbnb. So right now I'm just gonna finish drinking my coffee, checking with you guys when I touch the road.